Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll be learning how to make a beaded scrunchie. If this is your first time in this channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's going to mean so much to me. Okay, so let's get started.
What you need first is you need your fabric. So I'm working with a satin fabric, and you can make it to be as chunky as you want it to be. So this is measuring 24 inches by 4.5. So the width is 4.5, the length is 24. And then this is my elastic. So elastic is measuring 9 inches. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, so once I've cut it, I'm just going to apply my pearl on this side. Okay, so if this video is not detailed enough for you on how to apply pearl, I already have a video on how to work with this machine, so you can just check it out and use. So when I'm applying my step, I have to make sure it's a little bit away from this edge so you can give me allowance to sew on it. So that's what I'm going to do.
So if you're watching to this point, it tells me you're enjoying it. So don't forget to subscribe if you're here too. And if you also like to learn how to make bags, especially with Ankara fabrics and with leather, you can check my YouTube channel for more tutorials. And I also have a paid tutorial, an online class where you get to learn all of that. It's very detailed, and you also have the ability to ask me any questions, and you can also learn at your own pace.
So this is enough for me. Can you see what I did? If I feel the space here is too much, so I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pearls, so you can make it as pearly as you want. So now let's go to the sewing machine. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these two together like this. So make sure the ends are touching each other, and then just sew ½ inch straight line down. So now that I'm done, can you see how it looks? This is how it should look. So I did like this. Place it by the side, place it together like this. Just watch me. Let's cut this thread. So I'm going to fold this inside. Just have it folded like this. Then these two ends, I would pull it together and sew. So while I'm sewing, I have to be ensuring that I'm pushing this one away so I don't sew on it. It's just these two ends that I want to sew. So once I get to the end, I'll pull it out like this. So the one I folded inside is what I am pulling out now. Can you see? And then I'll continue joining. I'll just continue to pull till I get all the way to the end. So as you can see, I'm close to the first, to where we started. So I just have this small opening. So from this small opening, that will pull this out. Okay. So this is what it gives us. Can you see? So I'm going to pick my, I think this is called a safety pin, and then pick the elastic. Just pass it like this, and then I'll pass the elastic in through this small opening. So when I'm passing the elastic, I want to make sure I do not lose sight of this. If not, I'll have to start all over again. So as I'm pulling it, can you see I'm holding this so it doesn't run inside. Once I come out from this other end, remove this. I put the elastic together and I just tie it the way you tie a balloon. No tie it. You can just see the way I tied it. I'll do that again. Just hold the two together. You're not tying it like this, no. Just hold the two together like this and then just tie it the way you tie a balloon. Okay, and if you like you can cut off the excesses, and that's it. So what most people do when they're done is they just pick this folding, this closing right now, just close this and then they sew it, but it really doesn't give it a nice finishing. So what I do is I use a glue gun to just close it and then seal it, so that way even when you're looking at it you won't know where it was joined.